heart speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So we are continuing from where we stopped in the second part of this video. The last tutorial I showed you the introduction of Canva. Okay, so if you have not been able to watch or go through the video, I will drop the link on the description below so that you can go through it and learn. Okay, so now, what if first of all, once you come over to Canva, you need to ask yourself, what do you want to design? What do you want to design? Is it a birthday flyer you want to design? Is it a logo? Is it, what do you want to design? Okay, you need to know what you want to design. Let's say for example, you are a business person. Let's say you are a business person but you don't have a business card. You need to type business card. I can click on templates because I want templates. Okay, I will now type business card. Okay, amazing business cards will display. Amazing. So anyone that you want, you select it. Okay, let's look for something more cool. Okay, let's say I select this business card, this one. Okay. I this time around, I don't know why I'm in love with something light. Sorry guys, that is it for me now. I'm just in love with something light. So when I say something light, I love something like this, just light and simple. Okay, but let's make use of this design. So I click on it. So this is front and back design, front and back. Okay, so on the front side, you can decide to make this thing to be a logo. Let's say I have a logo, or let's say I don't want to import I don't know if I should import my logo here, but my logo, for me to locate it now, guys, sorry my logo, I don't know the best where it is now. So but this, I can decide to change the color. Okay, so on this now, if you want to change the color, can you see I've been able to open this thing now. So if you want to design, if I click on this thing now, can you see design? You will see amazing lots of designs, okay, which you can select, but let's make use of the one we have selected already. So if you click on here, before we edit this, let me show you the components and the tools that are on Canva. So on that element, you can click on elements. You are going to see shapes and a lot of things. Under this element, you can see listen to. These are the ones I have used. Listen to, these are shapes. If for example you want a circle shape, you can come here, select circle. Okay, under the element, under shapes, you select circle. If you click on or see all, you're going to see a lot of shapes. Okay, so let's move on. Under graphics, you're going to see a lot of graphics. Can you see amazing icons and a lot of them? Okay, so let's go back. Okay, there's a lot of this is AI generated image generator. This is videos. Can you see videos? Okay, you can decide to import a video into your design. These are audios, these are charts, these are pools, these are table. Maybe you want to import a table. These are frames. Okay, these are grids, these are mockups. Okay, I'm going to show you a lot, guys, and you can't wait to have guy, don't sorry, there's a lot. If you meet this my training, so that is it, guys. So move to the next one, which is text. Okay, if you want to add text, you can click on any of the text that you want. Let's say this text now. this text now. I can click on it. Can you see, and decide to add a text. Once you click on it, can you see there's a highlight, blue highlight? You can just begin to type immediately. Okay, to start typing it immediately. Okay, so that is it for text. So moving on, this is gallery. If I click on gallery, it will not open up an area whereby I can import or select files from my phone. Okay, so these are stores that are on my device. I can decide to select them. Okay, these are background. I can decide to select smart anyone I want. I can decide to select and click on add to page. Okay, can you see, I can add them to my page immediately. So guys, that is it. If you want to delete, anything here, once you select it, can you see these dots? These dots show that I have selected this one, and I did not select this one. Okay, so once you select any of the ones that you want, you're going to see things on top here. This one is delete. I'll just click delete. I want to delete this one to click delete. Delete this one to click delete. Delete. And the second one is duplicate. If I click on duplicate, it will make this into be 2. If I click on it again, can you see it's making it to be 3? If I click delete, this one, it will, if I just click on it, it will open up if I want to add a comment to it and all that. Okay, but being that I don't want to add a chat to it, I'll just leave it that way. Okay, it's just like adding a chat. Can you see how you just added the head of someone beside it? Okay, so if I want to delete, I'll just select it. Okay, I will try to delete from here. Close this thing up. I'll click delete. Can you see now it has disappeared? Okay, so moving down, you can see the brand. Can click on brand. Okay, or it's just mainly for pro version. Okay, brand kit is actually where company can add their fonts, add their logos, for instance, that anything they are designing, they can just go over there, have access to it, and start their designs and all that. So uploads, I can click on uploads, then it will not open up to those files that I've already that I have already uploaded, that are already yes, that I've already uploaded into Canva. Okay, these are files I've already uploaded. So if I want to add more from my device to Canva, I can click on upload files. Once I click on upload files, to ask me, is it from Google Drive, is it from Dropbox, is it from Google Photo? I select device. Okay, if it's email, if it's photos or audio, anyone, you select device to open up your device, and then you select the one you want to upload and upload it. So let's just go back. Okay, so we can see draw, you can see projects. Project are those files that you have worked on Canva and you have saved it. Then these are ours. So there is more thing that you can do on Canva, which as you keep on doing design, as you keep on designing, we are going to also use most of these tools, and you're going to see how it works. Okay, you're going to see how most of these tools works. So on top of it, you can see this is undo. Okay, you can just click on it. Can you see what I just deleted now as returned? If I click this one, it will disappear. Okay, so that is it. If you want to, this is just for making some adjustments and all that, which we are not going to make use of it. Okay, so if you want to save your work, if maybe for example you are through designing and all that, you want to save your work, you just come here, click on this one. Can you see it has started saving, but I'll cancel it. Okay, if you click on this last one, it will now ask you whether you want to share your link or Gmail, or you download. Click on download. Okay, sorry, once you click on download, it will now ask you to select. This is where you're going to make settings on your download, whether you want it to be a png format or you want it to be a jpeg format. I'm also going to talk more about this png and jpeg format later. So once you are through making some settings, you just click on download. Okay, so that is it. We are moving forward. If I want to add more design to this, I can click on this plus sign. Okay, I'll add more design. Maybe I'll come here, change the colors to red and all that. Okay, so let's just adjust this design before I end this video. So if, for example, if I want to make adjustment to this, then maybe I want to customize this business card now to my own text. I click on this text, just double click on it. If you click on it, you click on it again until this blue stuff covers the text. You just start typing. You just start typing. Let me just type only one name. Guys, my name is long. Sorry, this is my second name, is my English name. The Igbo, the first name is long, the second name is long. Guys, pardon me, na so e be. Okay, so I'll leave it there. Then the second part, I can click on the phone number and then add phone number, and then add phone number plus 234 Okay, this is my phone number 0810827. Okay, this is my phone number. Then the second part, I click on website. Okay, I can decide to select from here, delete here. Can you see what I just did? Instead of me to allow the highlight to be on it, I'll just click it so that it will just pinpoint where I want it to be. Okay, this is my website. The same thing here, as the highlight is on it, I can decide to click on this edge so that the highlight will just go up. Then the blinking tool will be on it so that I can decide to delete it one after the other. Okay, so but instead of me deleting it this way, it will actually take time. So let me just type Anambra Onitsha State. Okay, so that is it. I can decide to change this image, or then come over here, add instead of me to double click and make this text to be highlighted with this blue color, I can just select the text and then come down here, click on edit. Can you see? Once you click on edit, it will just highlight it. So I'll type Fanny Computer Hub. Okay, I can say, okay, I want this hub to be in line after computer. Then I have to select this thing, and then on this part that is at the middle, and then drag it. Can you see? And then drag it. Then if you observe now, this letter P is touching the line. It's obvious it's not touching the line, but it's close to the line. So I have to select it and then move it a bit. Okay, being I've told you that this icon is moving icon, while the other one is rotate icon. Okay, let's move it this way. I think this text is a bit closer to the logo. You can even decide to move with your hand, please. Okay, you can decide to move with this icon, or you move with your hand. Just click on this, hold it, don't hold it too tight, please, so that you will not break your phone. Just touch this text, hold it a bit, just touch the text and then move around. Touch the text and then move it around. Okay, so that is it. Instead of you to use this icon, you can use your fingers and then do that. So that is it. We will be able to do that. So this text, now I can decide to delete this text, this image. I can decide to delete it, or I can decide to replace it with another image. So can you see, once I select it now, can you see the place here? I can decide to replace it, or I can decide to crop it. Okay, there's a lot to do here, guys. There's really a lot to do, but let me just do replace. As we keep on doing others, we are going to touch all these tools. We are going to touch it. Okay, so I click on replace and then look out for an image, and I'm going to use the replace that text. Okay, let me look out for an image, amazing image for that matter. Amazing image. Can I use this image? Let me select it. Okay, no, 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 no. The color. Okay, so guys, okay, I can still make adjustments to the color. But it will be difficult for us. Not just difficult, it will actually waste our time. Yeah. So let me make adjustments. I have to change the color. I have to select another image. I have to select another image for that matter. Okay, I think this one can go a long way. Okay, can you see, guys? This one is cool. Oh, I'm making it to be big. I have to do undo. Can you see? I'll come up here, click here, so that it can go back. Okay, do you know what I want to do? I want to adjust this image. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I have to select it and then come here, click crop. Okay, I want to adjust this image so that it will come more closer. Okay, so can you see now? I'll pull it closer and then click done. Click on done. Can you see now? This image has actually come more close. Instead of it to just be at this part, it has actually come more close. And this color fits in perfectly well. Guy, this is an orange color. There's an orange color a bit here and it matches the background. So if I want to download this design now, let me delete this last one. I'll select it, click delete below. So if I want to download this design, this is front and back business card. Like I've told you, you click here, click on download. This is how to download. Okay, you can decide to download it using the PNG. It's a suggested PNG. Is actually, if you don't want the background to be on the image. Okay, sorry, let me explain this thing very well. When we say that something is a PNG format, it means that there is no background on that thing. For example, now if you want to download an icon, let's say you want to download a Facebook logo from the internet or from Google, then you want the one that has no background so that you can easily import it, maybe import it into this our design. Okay, you have to look out for one that has PNG format on it. Okay, but if you download anyone that bear this name, JPG, it means that it will come with its background. I'm going to explain this thing further, okay, as we keep on learning. Maybe on the part where we're going to design from scratch, we're going to download some stuff, then I'll teach you how to download and also the differences between PNG and JPEG format. Okay, so I have to select PNG, being that it is not a video that we are downloading, so you don't need to select this MP4 and all that. So I have to click on download. Can you see it's downloading? You wait for it to finish downloading. You can just close this thing up. If you want to send public link, if you don't want to close it up. So if I go over to my gallery now, go over to my gallery, and I will look out for canva folder. This is canva folder. Where is it? This is canva folder, but it's for the video format, so I have to look out for another canva folder. Okay, can you see it here? Can you see it? See the front, see the back, see the front. Can you see? So just like this, guys, you can just create something like this. You send it to a client and you just tell the client, let me just tell you this, guys. First of all, before you design that, you must have told the client the cost. You can tell him or her, okay, to design only with I can design for you maybe with 3,000 because you are a beginner. Okay, you can say I'm going to design with 3,000. Then maybe you can decide to take up the printing too. Okay, so okay, I will print it with so amount of money. You can look out for people that are doing printing, and then you ask them how much they used to print business card front and back. They tell you the price, and then you add up the money, add your own profit, and tell the person you yourself are the one to design. You just come here, use canva and do that. So guys, can you see it now? So we are going to do one more design here. We're going to do one more design. We're going to do one more design. So let's say for example you are asked to design a church flyer, or maybe a birthday flyer. Come here, birthday flyer, just birthday, or let me add flyer to it, birthday flyer. Okay, you can select a low loss. Let me click on template so that we're going to see a low loss of birthday flyer. Okay, I did not add flyer, that is why we are seeing some animations. We don't have we don't want animations. Okay, okay, can you see some amazing birthday flyers? Can you see amazing ones? Can you see amazing ones? So these are so amazing. You can just select any one you want, and then let's say for example we select this, let's say we select which one we going to select one. Anyone at my eyes sham to select, I'll just see this crown. You know, we are using a free version, we cannot access it. So guys, that is it. So let me select this one. Guy, okay, let me select, the one I want to select. Okay, let me, this one. Well, I'm looking for fine design, but I mean no one tell me say na free version we dey. Okay, anyone wey my eye sham, I wan select am. I observe that na free version. Guys, wetin are we going to do? Wetin we go do now? What are we going to do now? What are we going to do? Okay, so let me just select this one. Let me just select this one. Okay, let's pick this one. Let's pick it. Okay, to open up, you can just make changes. You can make changes. Okay, you can make changes. This balloon that is here, you can decide to duplicate it. I'll make it to be 2. I can draw it as I want it to. I want to add more here. Can you see? Can you see? Then this light up, I have to bring it. I have to, maybe this thing now, I can decide to delete it. Is it the image or the entire frame? If I click delete image, it will just delete only this picture of this woman. Okay, but it will not delete the second. But if I click entire delete frame, it will delete the both the frame where the woman is inside. Okay, and the image itself. So I can decide to delete this second. I decide to say this, or I will just leave it. Okay, or I can decide to do undo it, so that if you select it, you can use replace, so that the any image we are going to add there will be inside that second. Okay, if you're not able to find any good image that you want to, you can click on upload and then look out for image of your choice. Let me go click on upload. I think I have my pictures here. I think this is cool. Should I select this? Okay, can you see? Okay, so I can select this thing, put it by the side, select the white background, put it by the side. I can decide to delete it or just leave it. Okay, So there's a lot we are going to do here. Not just a lot, this is just an easy steps. Okay, then I'll put this thing backward. Okay, so this is just amazing, right? I can say to change the name, but I've told you how to edit it. You just type the name. Okay, so this is just it. I don't want to go more further explaining. Okay, you can say to change the color, select the background, select the background color, select the back. I've selected the background. Okay, I think this is a background color. Okay, this is just an image. It's just an image. Can you see? It's just an image which we can replace it. I can click on replace. I'll select this maybe this design, or let me select this white one. Can you see now? Yeah, but let me do undo because that one is fine. It's even finer than the other this recent ones. Okay, so that is it, guys. Okay, so that is it. So any design you want to do, just come here and search for it. Okay, whether it is a YouTube thumbnail, maybe for example you are a YouTuber and you want to be the one that will be creating the thumbnails of your video by yourself. You can use Canva and be doing that. I know so many persons that are designing their stuffs for themselves. See, guys, if those persons ask me to design a YouTube thumbnail for them, me, I will not charge 1,000. Oh, they even know that we are not going to charge them 1,000 for a thumbnail. So, okay, serious YouTuber, yes, can upload up to 20 videos in a month, guys. A serious YouTuber can upload up to 20 videos in a month. Just think about it. That you are charging the person 2,000 naira per month, per design. Or maybe we decide to consider the person and now begin to charge 1,000 per design. 1,000 times 20 is not 20,000. A serious YouTuber will now spend 20,000. And seriously, no graphic designer will charge 1,000 for a design. No professional graphic designer will do that. That is just the true fact. That is just the true fact, guys. Okay. So, and being that you want a fine design, no professional graphic designer will bring his or her own time after giving you a fine design. You will not, he or she will not collect 1,000. It's not done, guys. It's not done. So, all it's very obvious. So they have to keep on doing it by themselves. Which there is a very good application which they can use to do that, which is this Canva. So whether you are a graphic designer or not, Canva is already here for you. Okay, Canva is already here for you. So guys, that is it. Anything you want to do, you can do it on Canva. You can click on this. If you observe here, these are recent videos, recent designs. If I click on project now, you can see all the projects that we have done. This is the one we have exported. This is the new one. Okay, so that is it, guys. This is YouTube videos. You can click on YouTube videos and then see what is inside and all that. So in the next training, I'm going to show you how to design from scratch. Okay, how to design from scratch. So these are YouTube video. This one is premium and this is free. This one is free. Let me just play it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Can you see? These are just as you can edit them. Okay, let me find, or let me even select this one. Okay, well, let me select the background. I want the background to be yes, I want the background to just be plain background. And then thanks for watching. Maybe then I'll come here, I can select this text. I'll name it to be Funny Computer Academy. Okay, then the next one I can say home of digital skills, home of digital skills. Okay, so can you see? That's amazing. Let's play it. Can you see, guys? So once you are through, you can click here to download it. Can you see now? The suggested format is mp3 video. You click video. It's downloading, guys. It's downloading. It's downloading. Being that this mp4 is a video, so it will not be as fast as image or designs. Okay, can you see? So it has finished downloading. Let me go over to my videos. Go over to my videos. Click on video. Okay, can you see my videos now? Can you see it now? I click here. Can you click here? Can you see the preview? So guys, that is it. That is it, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial.